I've installed a USB on my Milwaukee fan. Fan functions as normal. USB's on the side. Switched. Draws no power when it's not in use. Has the voltmeter built into it. I got this on Amazon. I'll post a link to it in the comments. Let's take this thing apart. I'll show you how I wired it up. Gotta take the battery out. A bunch of screws on the bottom of this thing. They're all T15. You can take most of them out with an impact drill, whatever you want to do. There are a couple of them that are deep enough in there that you'll need a screwdriver type thing, a little narrow bit on the end of it. We'll get her pulled apart. This is all the further you'll have to disassemble the fan for this process. I soldered my negative wire straight to the terminal. Positive wire on the switch. There is a red wire going into it. You can barely see it up in there. Red wire right there. It'll focus. I soldered it to the back side of the board on that where that red wire comes in. That part uses Milwaukee's low battery protection, so that you can't run the battery so dead that it won't charge back up. On the side here, I drilled a hole. It was a 1 1/4 inch hole saw. You got to line it up. There's these ribs on the side. There was one right here. I've trimmed it off so I could tighten that nut down. Line it up with that rib. And then obviously you want to get it where it fits between the ridges on the side here. And that's it.